Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Manalicious back with a delicious makeup look. Now if you are new to my channel, welcome. This is a red and gold salsa look. And if you want to see how I have created this look, stay tuned. Let's dig in. Now I have already moisturized my face. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this foundation and dab it in everywhere on my face. Make sure you get your neck too, because you don't want to end up looking like this guy over here. That'd be crazy. Now I'm just going to go ahead and brush my eyebrows out with this spoolie that I'm using. And I use gel on my eyebrows so they could sit in place. Now I'm just going to go ahead and draw my eyebrows with this pencil brows. I already did a video on how I do my eyebrows. If you want to see that, go ahead and link in my other videos. Now I'm just gonna conceal my eyebrows to make a good shape, and I'm gonna blend it in very well. Putting on some eyeshadow on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna go and conceal them eyelids and make it into like a perfect circle. I'm at least gonna try to make it look perfect. I'm putting some gel on my eyelids so that way my glitter can stay perfectly on my eyelids. I am using this gold color eye glitter on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use some mascara. Now time for the lashes. I've put on some glue on my lashes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on my eyes. Make sure they fit my eyes very good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry. Period. But no, we are not done. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal the same parts that I always conceal when I am getting ready to contour my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab all that in with the sponge. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in very well into my face. This is the part where you kind of look a little bit scary, but it's okay. It's really okay. When I am contouring, I usually go in with my cheeks first. Okay, now that forehead gotta go. Then my nose. I know guys, my nose is mad big. Somebody come get it, cause we gotta contour this nose to make it look mad small. I didn't have the right brush to contour my nose with, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brush, and it still works pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on again so that way I can hide the concealer on my face. I'm just dabbing it all in, getting everywhere. get my neck too so I don't end up looking like this. I'm gonna start baking so I'm gonna look cakey-ish. I am using this powder. I am gonna go ahead and start lining up my lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this powder off of my face. I'm just gonna use the brush and brush it all off. Back to my lips, I am using this red lipstick. I like how it feels. Now to make my cheeks kind of look poppin', I'm just gonna glow and highlight that. After that, you are ready to go. This is what inspired me to do this look, a red gold salsa look. Now this is the finished look. Ooh, saucy. I don't know why I wanted some more lipstick on my lips, but here we go. You can never go wrong with putting more. Ooh, yes, girl. I love this look. Look at that. Yes. Now I put the camera on dark mode and see how it looks. Even better. I love it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button.